This is Chaorui Electric Company Limited. We have more than 200 employees, more than 50,000 square meters production area. A sustainable growth with solar photovoltaic and combined heat and power systems can reduce energy consumption and emissions. Precision processing with flawless quality. Despite complex situations and daily challenges, we always remain focused and dedicated, yet stay grounded. We are Chaorui Electric. For our staff, there are unlimited possibilities through our high social responsibility. Our products are anything but ordinary. We have enormous and far-sighted aim. We drive innovation to empower our industries. From power equipment to railway transportation, from airport baggage handling to automotive industrial automation. Our continuous innovation driving the whole industry forward. We have passion on craftsmanship, programming, design, and manufacturing, smart manufacturing, digitalized management, enhancing efficiency, achieving elevating quality. Every process, every welding seam embodies Chaorui's relentless pursuit of excellence. From conceptual design to mass production, we rigorously test every detail, only to delivering more efficient, safer, and more stable products to our clients. During these procedures, we support each other sincerely for both our customers and our company. We never walk alone. We stay united. We strive for ambitious goals as well as sustainability. That's why we always have long-term cooperation with our clients, as long-lasting relationships are built on trust and personalized service. Our environment should also be sustainable. Only when we truly take care of it, there will be a better future. Just as our attitude to our products. Despite challenges, we stand strong. We have already achieved them all. Innovation, quality, sincerity, teamwork. Our united strengths, comprehensive solutions. This is Chaorui Electric.